Hello guys, this is Famous Forex Academy, and I'm back again with this amazing and banging strategy. I always share with you guys one of the best strategies. Whenever I drop a strategy here, guys, it's always a bomb. It's always a bomb, guys. So I'm back again with this amazing one. It's easy and simple, but it's very reliable and profitable. Always share the best of the best with you guys. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel, share the video with your friends. Like I always say, share my videos with your friends so your friends can also make money too. And don't forget to turn on your notification to always get amazing stuff whenever I post them online. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And also you can check on the description page. You'll see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly if you have anything to discuss with me. Okay, maybe account management, or maybe you want to learn how to trade. We can teach you and mold you into becoming a professional trader. And we also have a VIP group where we drop profitable signals, 4 to 5 signals a day, which can push your account up to a level you start smiling to the bank. So guys, without wasting so much of your time, let's get to the video. Okay, first of all, I'm going to share with you guys the settings of this video. Okay, so the settings here on the main chart, we have the 2 moving averages, and on indicator window 1 we have average directional movement index and moving average 2 again. So on the main chart, the first moving average here will have the period of 50, shift of 0, method of simple, apply to close. The stars is 4 pixel. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's always a color that is more visible on the chart where you can see clearly. After that, you click on done, and the second moving average here, still on the main chart, will be the period 21, shift -3. Please take note of the -3. Method is liner weight, apply to close. Style is 4 pixel. I'm using black. After that, you click on done. So the next indicator will be on indicator window 1, which is the average directional movement index, okay, which has the period of 1, style 2 pixel, D plus D, I is 2 pixel, minus D, I is 2 pixel, and they are all white. So if you're using a white background, make sure your colors are white. If you're using a black background, make sure your colors are black. And the levels here will be the level 95 and the level 5. After that, you click on done. So the next indicator will be our next moving average, which has a period of 10, shift 1, method exponential, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I'm using red. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's a visible color where you can see clearly on your chart. So that you click on done. So our last indicator here will be another moving average, which has a period of 21, shift is -5, method is smoothing, apply to close, style is 4 pixel. I'm using the color blue. So after we might have finished inserting our indicators, okay, the next thing we will want to do now is knowing the zoom level. Please make sure when you're using this strategy that make sure you minimize your chart to the last level. Okay, like if your chart was kind of this way, make sure you minimize it to the last part. That will be the zoom level for this strategy. Okay, so now after you might have finished doing that, the next thing you want to do is knowing when to buy. Okay, because we actually scalping. This is a scalping strategy. It's not for catching spike. Please don't use this strategy to catch spikes. It might actually work on catching spike, but please, I advise you to concentrate on scalping. Don't catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, just use it for scalping. So this is Crash 500, and we are scalping. That means we are actually going to buy. So if we're scalping, boom, that means we are selling. But right now we are on Crash. This strategy works on Crash 500 and on Boom 500. So now we are on Crash 500 and we are buying. As you can see, guys, I open my position at this level here. As you can see, we are still buying, but since this is just a video I'm trying to show to you guys, I won't actually hold this straight. I will actually close it straight. Okay, but if it's like maybe you're trading, I'll advise you to just hold for just 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes, that's 10 candlesticks. Don't hold longer than 10 minutes, guys. Just 10 minutes, 10 candlesticks, and you close the trades with profit. As you can see, we are having more than 10 candlesticks already, but I'm not closing. I'm just gonna use this to show you guys how this strategy works. Okay, so when do you buy? When you're on Crash 500, after you might have finished inserting your indicators and keeping your zoom level at the right place. So now when you actually have to buy, it's when these conditions are being met. Okay, as you can see on your indicator window 1, we have the blue and red indicator here. So the first thing you want to look out for is when you see the red and blue indicator here below the level 5 here. Okay, below the level 5, in between level 5 and level 10, that is the oversold level. So when once you see this indicator like this crossing each other to the upside like this, it is happening here. This is the example here. Please take note, make sure you don't do any mistake, guys, so you don't lose money. So the first settings here before you can actually buy, okay, it's when you see the red and blue indicator you're having on your indicator window 1 here below the level 5, okay, in between level 5 and level 10, which is the oversold level. So the moment you see that happening, the next thing you want to do is wait on your your main chart to see the black indicator crossing the purple indicator to the upside like this. Like I always say, you always have to be the upside. If you see them crossing to the downside like this, please don't take the trade. It always has to be crossing to the upside. And once you see that happening, you open your positions and you take 10 candlesticks and you close it. Remember, this is a scalping trade, it's not a swing trade. Okay, it's not a swing trade. This is a 1 minute time frame. So if you want to use this strategy on this strategy, like I said, works on every time frame: 1 minute, the 10 minutes, the 5 minutes, the 1 hour time frame. So if you want to trade for a longer time, you want to hold the trade for a longer time, that maybe you want to use the strategy for a swing trade because it works for a swing trade too. So you can actually use the 1 hour time frame to watch these moving averages. Okay, you don't use 1 minute time frame and expect to hold a trade for 30 minutes. So if you're on a 1 minute time frame, make sure you don't hold longer than 10 minutes. Okay, you don't hold longer than 10 minutes, just 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. So guys, this strategy is amazing. As you can see, our trade is doing very fine. We are on like 15 candlesticks at the moment. So guys, if you are on this trade, I'll advise you close at this point. So don't hold longer. At the highest you can hold for this trade, it's 15 minutes. That's 15 candlesticks. Don't hold longer than that, guys. Just, you know, pick 10 to 15 candlesticks, close the trade with profit. Wait for another time that the setup comes in play. When the setup comes into play, you open your positions, you pick 10 to 15 candlesticks, you close the trade. Again, you can do this as many times as you can in a day, but just make sure that this settings are in positions for you to actually make your trade. Like I said, let me reverse this again. The first thing you want to look out for is you look on your indicator window 1 to see that this red and blue indicator you are seeing here is below the level 5. That's in between level 5 and level 10. Okay, crossing each other. It has to cross each other like this, and when that happens, you have to wait again on your main chart to see this your black indicator crossing the purple indicator to the upside like this. The moment that happens, you open your positions, you take 10 to 15 candlesticks and you close the trade with profit. Guys, this strategy is a bomb. It's an amazing strategy. You know, you can look back to my previous strategies, you will see that my strategies are always working perfectly fine. My strategies are not those kind of strategies you use and you lose money. You can check out on my comments from my previous strategies. You can see that people have been dropping testimonies on how my strategies have been changing their lives. Some people have been changing their account from $10 to $100, some from $15 to $200. Check out my previous strategies, you will see that they are all amazing and working perfectly fine. I don't drop strategies that don't work here because I don't want people to lose money. So before I post any strategy here, it's a strategy that I've used. I've backtested it for more than a couple of times and I see that it's working perfectly fine before I now share it with you guys. So do well to enjoy the strategy. Go on your main chart, open your account. Probably you can actually test it on your demo account to be sure that it's working perfectly fine. When you're more comfortable with it, you can move on to your real account, open this trade, make some money, flip your account, flip that small account from $10 to $100 with this strategy. Okay guys, it's working perfectly fine and I can assure you that. Guys, come back here and drop your testimony and let me know how this strategy works out for you. So we're going to do some back testing here and you will see how this strategy works. Okay, make sure it's okay. Let me show you something. As you can see, at this point, these moving averages did not cross the level 5. It didn't go below level 5. So at this point, I want to advise you to take the trade. As you can see for yourself, the trade didn't do too well. As you can see, it didn't went too far. We had a spike. Okay, so the only time you can take this trade is when you see this happening. This moving average has to go below level 5. Though it was only this red one that went below the level 5, the blue one didn't go below the level 5. So at this point, if it's me, I won't still take the trade because it's risky. Okay, so the only time you can take the trade is when these two moving averages that you're seeing like this goes below the level 5, and you see the blue and red indicator crossing each other like this. You look over your main chart to see the black indicator going above the purple indicator. You open your positions, take 10 to 15 candlesticks. You close your trades with profit and wait for the conditions to be in place again. You open your positions and you take 10 to 15 candlesticks. You can do this as many times as you can in a day. So far these conditions are in place. Okay, so you can see guys, it's working perfectly fine. This is it again, the red and blue indicator going up below the level 5, and on your main chart the black indicator crossing the purple one. As you can see, we had 10 to 15 candlesticks here, and you close the trades with profit. So guys, this strategy is amazing, is a bomb, it's one of a kind. So do well to use it on your trades, make some money, come back here, drop your testimony, let me know how this strategy turned out for you. Okay guys, so please guys, like I always ask, always do me this favor by subscribing to the channel. That's the only way you can pay me back for all the good things I've been doing for you guys here. Subscribe to the channel and also subscribe to my Telegram group. You can check on the description page, you'll see a link to my free Telegram group where we drop strategies and we drop analysis on charts on a daily basis. And also, you want to join our VIP team. The VIPs are always winning. They're always winning every single day, smiling to the bank, because we drop good signals that make people more profits every single day. So do well to hit us up guys. And also on the description page is a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me whatever you want to talk to me about. Is it account management, is it for mentorship, or is it to join the VIP team? Right guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys, like the video, share the video with your friends, and turn on your notification to always get amazing stuffs from me whenever I post them online. You know, I post one of the best strategies online. You can check from my comments and be sure that I'm not just boasting, but I'm one of the best when it comes to boom and crash strategies. All right guys, thanks for watching the video. See you some other time guys. Bye.